What kind of office environment will be more comfortable? Let V-Link GK35 tell you. Its compact body can make your desktop more neat and tidy. The body is made of textured plastic body and acrylic plate, which is more thin and portable. Despite the small size, it still has a variety of interfaces. Choose what you need. With Intel Celeron processor N3350, there is a cooling fan for accelerated heat dissipation. Late G memory, low power consumption, longer battery life. It consists of plastic body, heat insulation board and acrylic board, etc. It is a combination of technology and art. Support 4K definition output. Dual screen display, work more efficiently. GK35, an energy-saving mini PC with both office and entertainment. You deserve it.
We're starting next Wednesday with a program I think you might be interested in looking at.
Well, I'd love to hear about it some more.
Yeah, have you got 15 minutes right now?
Absolutely.
Good.
Still bothered by the large traditional mainframe taking up space? U59 can help you get rid of this problem for good. With its smooth surface, it looks exquisite. With 2 HDMI ports, you can easily connect 2 displays. Powered by Intel 11th generation processor. Burst frequency at 2.9 GHz. With a good cooling system to keep your PC running cool. The cooling effect is beyond your imagination. Intel UHD graphics with 4K 60 FPS support for a comfortable visual feast.